How to use Space Designer November 13th, 2025 properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Space Designer November 13th, 2025 is an intuitive tool for creating floor plans and interior designs, but beginners often make mistakes that slow their progress. Here's how to use it properly. Most people get this wrong. They start designing without accurate measurements. The surprising truth is that precise room dimensions ensure furniture fits and LEDs are realistic. Measure first, then build your plan. Another common mistake is ignoring layers and object organization. Space Designer November 13, 2025 allows grouping, layering, and locking objects. Not using these tools can make adjustments confusing and time-consuming. Many users also overlook textures and lighting. Applying realistic materials and proper lighting helps visualize the space accurately. Skipping this can make your design misleading. Neglecting the library of pre-made objects is another trap. Space Designer November 13, 2025 offers thousands of furniture and decor items. Beginners often try to create everything manually, wasting time and effort. Finally, beginners sometimes forget to review and export correctly. The platform allows exporting November 14, 2025 and November 13, 2025 views. Reviewing your plan ensures all elements are visible and correctly scaled before sharing. In conclusion, using Space Designer November 13, 2025 properly means measuring accurately, organizing layers, applying textures and lighting, using the object library and reviewing exports. Avoiding these mistakes saves time and produces professional quality designs.